Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I am doing an unboxing for some items that I received from BeeBeeCraft. I'm a guest designer with them, and so they had me pick out some items. I'm super excited to work with them and to make some paper crafting crafts with all of these items here. Starting over here, this is a wooden cutting die. And this is not the pattern, this is just their packaging they put on all of them, I think. But this one is a large die. It's kind of like the Sizzix Bigs die, but you can use this with any, like the Sizzix Big Shot. That's what I have. And this is to make a wallet. You can use it with leather, paper, foil, fabric, or like the vinyl sheets. I am going to be using it for paper crafting. Obviously, I'm a paper crafting channel. I do other things, but for this, I'm going to be using it for paper. And it will make a wallet that holds like a gift card or a credit card size. So that is this one. And so be sure to, next week I will have a video on making some of these items. I'll have a video for all of the items. They may not all be in one video, obviously, but that is what this one is. It makes the pockets and the little, like the base and then the pockets, but I'll definitely do a video and show you how to use that. Then I ordered 2 acrylic stamp sets. This one has all these really cute little piggies, and I will be making a pig themed journal for my daughter because she loves pigs, and so she hopes to have one on a farm one of these days. But I just thought these were so cute and they'd be perfect for making cards or tags or whatever, so really cute. And then this one is a carousel themed one. Also great for making birthday cards or any kind of tags or any things like that, but I do plan on using this for a Mary Poppins themed journal. Alrighty, and then the next item I received is this, like a Thinlit die. All of these items, at least the ones here, the brand is called Global Land cutting dies, all sold by BeeBeeCraft. So this set has some frames, and then it also has dies to make ice cream cones, and I thought those would be perfect to use in my Candyland journals, but I can also use the frames for anything else. Trying to find the opening here. Thought there would be, oh, here it is. So there are the ice cream cones, and then this part has the actual ice cream parts and little hearts and a little cherry. So those will make really cute cards. And then this set is a set that makes some banners or tags, and then it also makes little pockets to put on pages. So go ahead and open this up. So over here, this makes a little corner pocket and then a little insert to go on that, and then this looks like a little stamp and a flower, and then it has a heart star, a couple banners, some banner tags that have hearts all the way around, and then some 2 inner layers there. So I could make shakers, little shaker banners, or a shaker pocket, whatever. And then it comes with this that says thank you. So yeah, that's what came with that one. And then the last set There is a candy set that has a gumball machine and this little candy set, I think you fold it after you cut it out. And you can make shakers out of that as well. And then this one is a lollipop, a heart-shaped lollipop that has a bunch of intricate little cutouts there. And then there's a little tiny lollipop, a candy cane, a little candy here, a bow, another bow. This looks like a little tiny candy, and then this makes little tiny shapes in there. So I think that's really cute. So I'm going to obviously use that with my Candyland journals. So those are the items that I received from BeeBeeCraft. I will put all the links down below for the items, as well as the link to BeeBeeCraft's website. I will also have a coupon code for you if you'd like to purchase any items. And if you come back to my channel next week, I will have another video showing how I used some of these items, and then I also will have more videos on a weekly basis using some of these items. So hopefully you enjoyed this little share, and hopefully you will be able to go and check out some of their items. They have a lot of items on their website, a lot of paper crafting and jewelry and things like that. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.